Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, you see, if you know a very dark man, tag him to this video because it is very important. You see, in as much as very dark man you they talk, you are trying to, be patriotic, and at the same time you are trying to educate people, sensitize people on how to do the needful, how to live right and whatever. It is a good one that you are doing, but you see, you cannot be right at all time, because see this video.
So a lot of people have tagged me to this video where these soldier guys are cutting those boys' hair. The first thing is, they say when you are in Rome, you act like Roman. If you know, for instance, now people are saying, oh, I went to the Nigerian army event and I carry my hair go there. Where I they stay? I live in Abuja where all those things are allowed. To Delta State, it is allowed. Do you understand? That is not an Islamic state. But when you go to Islamic state, and this is why, okay, now, you people that are complaining and saying, okay, the Nigerian army, this is injustice and blah, blah, blah. Can you wear shimi, just the way you wear shimi in Abuja, wear shimi in Lagos and walk up and down, wear crop top and let your nipples and your breasts and be showing? Can you do that in the north?
Now, this is a video of Nigerian army shaving off some people's hair with scissors or whatever. Then very dark man one talk, he say it happened in the north. So because it happened in the north, they have all the right to do so. That some few weeks ago, the Nigerian army joint task force with the isban, they went to burn alcohol and whatever. I said those states are Islamic states, things like that are not allowed. It is around one thing. You see, I thought you are very smart and intelligent, very dark man, but I didn't know that sometimes anyway, they say every man has a price. At this point in time, you have compromised your standard. Take it or leave it, because the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is superior to any other form of law in the country, and there is no provision in the Constitution that prohibits anybody from carrying dreadlocks. Take it or leave it. Then there's no prohibition in the law or in the Constitution that prohibits people from selling or drinking alcohol. You are talking about isban law or whatever, because it is in the north. Those people that they are treating that way, they are citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And for the virtue that they are citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the constitutional right they have, which is their human right, it supersedes whatsoever dirty law that might be operating in the north. Isban law should operate within the scope of the Muslim community. Yes, it should revolve around a Muslim lifestyle. Anything that contravenes the Muslim or the Islamic lifestyle, now there that is isban or whatever, take come in place. We should not be sentimental in this thing. How can army officer carry which I call until the court person here? But you were in their conference the other day. They not shave your hair. If it is wrong, they say what is good for the good is good for the gander. Why didn't they shave your hair? You were in their conference the other day. Now the picture be this. Why didn't they shave your hair? You see, this country, I don't know what thing they happen. Instead of you are somebody who fights injustice. Now you see injustice because it is coming from the Nigerian army, simply because of, say, whenever you see them, you make video with them or they cheer you up or whatever, you are taking side. It is never done that way. This is madness. This is Nigeria. The Federal Republic of Nigeria, now one constitution everybody they use, and that constitution does not have limited power in certain places, and it does not have autonomous power in certain places. I thought you don't pass this one. You should be wise enough. You are wise enough to know that this thing is infringement of human rights. You understand? In as much as in Nigeria we do not practice certain things. In Western world, you can see army officer will get dread. You can see policemen will get plenty here. In as much as we do not practice it in Nigeria, that doesn't mean that it should be taken as an advantage to. This is oppression from the army. Yes, this is oppression from the Nigerian army. Instead of you to call out what they call it, the chief of army staff to look into this matter and make a statement. No, it's just like police staying on the road collecting 100 or 200 from people. We know say many times IG of police don't come and say talk say nobody should give money to police on the way or whatever. Nobody should allow police to check their phone or whatever, because why people are calling the attention of the authorities to it. Now see what these people did. You are justifying it. Very dark man. You are justifying nonsense because of say no be you it happen to, or because of say no be person wey dey close to you it happen to. If according to you, if we want Nigeria to be great, then the rule of law must be obeyed by all and sundry. It not be the one wey dey talk so. The Nigerian army, the chief of army staff should look into this thing wey they do so. It doesn't make sense. You understand? It doesn't make, and as a matter of fact, every Nigerian citizen should know the jurisdiction of the army. Everybody supposed to know the job of the army. Army is supposed to be for war and peacekeeping in a turbulent situation where crisis dey. Na there for the army, not be the one where they go dey road, they oppress people, infringing on people human rights. Okay, which crime those people will carry that? Which crime they commit now? No, which crime they commit now simply because they carry and they are in the north. According to you, whether or not, whether or anywhere, I don't care. They don't wear army camouflage now. They say okay, now because of this thing, you just see person, you carry scissors, begin to cut here for what? This is oppression, infringement of human rights. Now be this, even in the civilized world, an adult, they know they control adult. They know you cannot dictate for an adult the kind of life you want me to live. Now only Nigeria for the happen, and you say you are civilized. I thought you are wiser than this very dark man. Which kind of nonsense beyond this one?